passionate categories.
We represent patients and families of Bonheur in civil legal issues that affect a child's health.
We have a physician, Dr. Emily Dobish, who is our liaison to us on cases.
So I work with the physicians at Bonheur, including medical students, residents, and attending physicians, to educate them about how the law affects the health of their patients.
Most frequently in the clinic, we take cases that involve housing, that can be both housing conditions cases and also eviction defense. We also work on special education cases where children with disabilities are not receiving the services that they are entitled to in their school setting. And we also handle a lot of conservatorship cases.
The legal service came across with my 4-year-old son, so they provided a lot of service from IEP service, even with the children getting in school. So they provided a lot of support.
If we don't take care of any of those things, it doesn't matter what I prescribe to my patients, they're going to remain ill and they're not going to reach their full potential.
That relationship with the law school and that education component, in that you have law students that are taking a class, but they're also able to come in and work with other attorneys. And they are also able to do a lot of cross-collaborative learning.
Students are in sometimes almost constant communication with doctors surrounding the medical needs that the patients have and the clients have, and how those affect the legal issues. Students have the opportunity to spend a lot of time at Bonheur, so a lot of time off campus. There are days when students will be, at their desks doing research, preparing documents, drafting memos, drafting briefs, things like that. And then there will be days when they'll be here at the hospital. There will be days when they'll be in court, appearing, in front of a judge on a housing case or, another matter. And I think it's really exciting.
These are families that may never have been connected even with an attorney, certainly not with an attorney that would provide free legal representation. So, to have that is pretty astounding, and I think speaks to the success of this program.
Thank you, Memphis Child and Legal Clinic.